After this week's Supreme Court hearing, there could be more delays coming in the election this year.
I feel like we say that every day. Delay, delay.
Every time.
We are awaiting a decision from the justices about whether the new electoral districts Republicans approved will actually be used this year. Our Capitol reporter, Michael Hyland, is live in Raleigh. Michael, some experts think it's likely that there are going to be changes to that.
Right, and if the court strikes down those districts, the primary could be pushed back again. We are expecting a decision sometime soon, but it's not clear if that's going to be in time to keep things on the current schedule.
The state Supreme Court is set to make a decision that will impact your vote for the rest of the decade.
I think that there is a sense of a clear potential divide on the court.
Dr. Michael Bitzer is a political analyst at Catawba College. He's closely watched the case that various groups brought against Republicans in the General Assembly. They've sued them for how they drew the districts for Congress and the General Assembly, saying they're extreme partisan gerrymanders meant to help Republicans keep power.
It seems likely that the maps are short-lived based on what we heard potentially.
He pointed to comments during Wednesday's hearing like this from Democratic Justice Anita Earls.
Why shouldn't our state constitution equal protection clause also protect people from discrimination, on the intentional discrimination on the basis of party affiliation?
Democrats hold a majority on the Supreme Court. Republican Chief Justice Paul Newby said if the court is going to strike down the district maps, they have to tell lawmakers what's allowed.
The court has got to have a clear standard that we give the General Assembly.
The case could directly influence how easily Democratic and Republican candidates win this fall.
The concern becomes, does politics override questions of the law, the integrity of the Supreme Court, and the judicial system?
Candidates are supposed to begin filing to run for office 3 weeks from today, but depending on how long it takes for us to get a decision, that could be pushed off. Live in Raleigh, Michael Hyland, CBS 17 News.
All right.